Drug testing for marijuana is a hot topic, with many large corporations and municipalities deciding that testing for marijuana, a legal substance in many states, well, just doesn't make sense. New York City has decided that it won't test for marijuana, and it will test for marijuana. Welcome, my name is David Jolly, and if you haven't already subscribed, I would really appreciate it if you did. Thanks. Well, many corporations have decided that testing for marijuana in the workplace is so very 1990s and have now abandoned such a policy. Well, our friends in New York City obviously didn't get the memo, as their message is very confusing. In early July, a leaked memo surfaced indicating that the nation's largest police force, the New York City Police Department, would no longer permit drug testing for marijuana. The department also released an initial statement indicating the same intent. But then, major buzzkill as the NYPD changed their minds with the following statement. We are in consultation with the law department over conflicts with the new law and pre-existing federal law. While these discussions continue, there is no change in NYPD policies, procedures, or testing protocols regarding the use of marijuana by uniformed members of the service. Yep, it's always the lawyers who tend to screw things up. So testing cops for pot in New York City is still a thing. Over at the New York City Fire Department, well, they're far better at putting out spot fires than the NYPD. In a memo distributed to its members and leaked to the public, they will no longer be testing their members for marijuana. So there you go. One jurisdiction, one set of laws, mass confusion, and a great division. Welcome to the United States in 2022. For more videos on cannabis and the law, please subscribe.